represent 3.23 on number line. So how you will represent this type of number on number line? Okay, let me show you. At first you will draw the number line like this. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so it will be 3.1. Okay, you can represent it like this. This will be 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Here it will be 4. Okay, 3.23. Next, 3.23 in between 3.2 and 3.3. Okay, so it will be 3.2. It will be 3.21. It will be 3.22. It will be 3.23. It will be 3.24. 3.25, 3.26, 3.27, 3.28, 3.29, 3.3. Okay, so where it is? Yes, this is 3.23 on the number line. So that's how you will represent 3.23 on number line.